Hello and welcome to the Sister Cousin channel. My name is Sandy and I thank you so much for stopping by today. What I'm going to be doing today is cleaning up my office. This is my after Christmas cleanup and I haven't done it yet. So if you'd like some good cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and get started with this tree. I've never had my tree up this late before. Normally I take my things down even before the new year comes in, and I did with all my other Christmas decor, but the office, I was just really late this year. So it's time. Let's go. And I am like really sick of this tree because last year I kept my tree up all year and I decorated for the seasons and I absolutely loved it at the time, but I don't feel like it this year. And so I just want to get it out and I'm just looking forward to having this space because I have not had this tree down now in over a year. So I'm excited to be getting it all put away and see how I can repurpose this space until Christmas time. How long do you leave your Christmas tree up? Do you normally take it down before the new year comes in or do you wait a little while? I know my neighbors, they still have their Christmas lights up and they still turn them on every night, which I think is kind of crazy. I'm like tired of Christmas right now. I've had people in my comments ask me, where do I keep all my decor? Well, here it is. This is the closet that's in my office and it is filled to the ceiling almost with decor and things like that. So this is what I do. I have a shelving unit that I put in here and I just go in here and kind of shop my home when I'm looking to change over my decor. And this is where I store it all. So yeah. And I'm constantly purging also. I go to the Goodwill on a regular basis to shop, but also to donate things that I'm no longer using or that I've grown tired of. I'm using these Dollar Tree storage bags. It's the first time I've purchased them, but I think they'll be good for my seasonal decor, like when I was decorating my tree for, Valentine's Day and for Easter and things like that, where I didn't have a ton of things, but I can put them in those plastic bags. And so far, they seem to be working out pretty good. They're $1 and they're the extra large storage bags. So I'm just going through and looking at all the pieces that I had on my desk. It had kind of become a dumping ground when I took down my decor, my Christmas decorations from downstairs. I was just bringing it into my office and just setting it until I got ready to actually put things away. So today is the day that everything gets put back in its place. Now this video is a part of an open collaboration that is called the Moonlight Clean With Me, and it is a quarterly challenge that's hosted by Denise Jordan over at This and That with Denise Jordan. Now if you're not familiar with her channel, you will absolutely want to step over there and check her out. Denise does all things for the home cleaning, cooking, all types of things. So you definitely want to check her channel out. She hosts this on a quarterly basis and she has some great information for traditional homemakers. Also, there will be a playlist so that you can get all types of cleaning motivation if you're interested in that as well. As always, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner that I use pretty much to clean everything. So I'm just cleaning off the desk with that and the monitor and things around in my office to get them nice and clean and dust free. And just putting everything in its place. Doing the same with my TV stand here, just kind of dusting everything off, cleaning it up and getting ready for the new season. And the microfiber towels that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree. They are my absolute favorite. Every time I go in the Dollar Tree, I pick up more because I don't ever want to run out of these. And they wash well. I usually wash them, and they get a couple washes out of them before they're no good anymore and I have to replace them. But they're really good. This is one of my favorite things to buy at the Dollar Tree, are those microfiber towels. So now it's time to run this vacuum, and when I tell you this floor was a mess just from dumping things in here that I didn't feel like putting up at the time, and having the tree up, the floor was just full of all types of debris and things like that. So it was definitely time to give it a good vacuum, and it really needs a good carpet clean as well. Now, while I was working, I noticed that my plant here, I think it's called a calathea, I noticed that it was starting to kind of droop a little, and so it's time to give it some love. I'm probably going to repot it, and hopefully it will do okay, because it's a beautiful plant here. Just a little off subject. But here is my clean office. It is all clean now, and I am so excited. I love a clean space. It just makes me happy. But I thank you for stopping by today. And if you're not currently subscribed, please be sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell. And don't forget to stop over to Denise Jordan and the playlist so that you can get more cleaning and organizing motivation. And I hope that I see you over here on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.